Have you ever felt in some way, somehow, that you've been here before? Maybe something happened to you that made you feel, peradventure, you are living your next life. You are not alone. Here are some signs that could show you that you have been here before. 1. You are more relaxed than most people, yet you work harder. 2. In difficult situations, you think of worst-case scenarios and they still don't bother you. 3. You understand human nature better than most people. 4. You see places and experiences from 2 dimensions or perspectives. 5. Mentally, you feel much older than your physical age. 6. You enjoy learning from people, especially those who are older or more experienced. 7. You can relate to most situations even if you haven't experienced them before. 8. People often tell you that you are wise or intelligent. 9. You don't waste time on things that others consider important but seem trivial to you. 10. You value your time but still find ways to give it to people generously. 11. People are drawn to how you speak or handle situations. 12. Music, foods, and places evoke memories that you know you've never had in this life before. 13. You are naturally empathetic, sensing the emotions of others without them expressing much. 14. You have an intuitive understanding of life's cycles and patterns. 15. You often experience déjà vu, with a strange certainty that you've been in a specific place or moment before. 16. Spiritual or deep conversations come easily to you, even from a young age. 17. You often feel disconnected from modern concerns or trends, gravitating toward timeless ideas. 18. Your dreams often feature places or people that seem familiar, yet you cannot recall them from your current life. 19. You feel a strong connection to certain cultures, places, or practices without any logical explanation. 20. You often sense that your purpose in life is beyond the ordinary, driven by an almost inexplicable calling. 21. You have certain fears or concerns that are never related to your current life, but could be related to your previous life. These and many more could be signs you have observed in yourself. However, having any or all of these signs doesn't mean you've been here before, but they could definitely offer clarity in understanding why you have them. So, take your time and enjoy this beautiful life you have now. Have a great moment. Cheers. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. Read next. 10 things you must always remind yourself of. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getbooks on Amazon, Amazon Books. You can also check out these posts. 1. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 2. Making sense of our strengths. 3. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 4. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works, L1. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments.